Happy Sunday, guys. Here we are in the UK. We've just had a very, very nice conversation with a lady called Gly.
Guy.
Guy?
G-A-I.
It's G-L-A-I.
Is it not G-L-A-I?
Listen, Mrs. C. Gly, not Guy. G-L-A-I. Mrs. C thinks I'm going blind.
Gly. Is it Gly?
Yes, it's Gly. It's Gly.
Okay, Gly. Okay. Pasqua.
Anyway, as I was saying, we've just had a very nice conversation with a very nice lady called Gly. And she's very important to us at the moment.
Important to us.
Because
We just met.
Gly is a freelance finance representative who works on commission for finding vehicles for people and sorting out purchases and payments and finance agreements or cash sales. So, yeah, I might as well just come clean and admit it, guys. We've got an ADV 160. We've got a Badger RE, which we gave to our brother,
Move a bit,
Morris. Look at this. Mrs. is trying to set fire to herself. She's just pouring loads of stuff on the barbecue. And yeah, we're buying something, guys, for us. And
That's a Christmas present for
Yeah.
2 years now.
Yeah,
Last year we don't have a
for
Christmas
us.
present.
everybody in the family seems to think we're poor, and they look down on us because we ride an ADV 160. But yeah, we're buying not brand new because it'd be like 2.3 million pesos, but we're going to buy something about 3 years old, 2 years old, and we're sort of thinking. We were thinking about the Hilux, weren't we, babe?
Yes.
Top of the range, boss.
Oh, this Triton.
Or maybe a
Toyota.
Mitsubishi Triton,
Triton,
or a Nissan Navara Conquest, or maybe a Ford Ranger Raptor, I don't know. But whatever it is,
yeah.
it's going to be 2 years old.
Yeah, 2 years old is also right.
And I've told Gly we want it in like a dark grey or black.
Yeah.
Top of the range, leather seats, air conditioning, sat nav, cooling seats. And we want it to be top of the range. So yeah, hopefully
What is that? Top of the range.
top of the range, boss. So it'll have wind deflectors, indicators.
What's that? Rain. Oh.
What?
Oh. What's that?
I don't know. She's seen something.
Agent. Big one.
So that's the plan, guys. We're going to buy not a brand new car, but we're going to buy something about 2 years old, and we're going to show the family who's rich and who's not rich.
Are we poor actually?
Oh, yeah, we're very poor,
But
aren't
we're
we?
working to saving up anyway for
Yeah.
something. I told you before.
Yeah.
So
Because we have certain members in the family, because they've got a car, they think, oh, you know, we're better than everybody else. Well, we're going to show them what a new car looks like, guys. And we're going to park that new car on our new land at the side of our brand new Kubo.
we're not land. That one is a Morris land anyway. And
Not that one. We've got 700 square metres in Loag,
in
haven't
Loag,
we?
I mean.
We bought two lots of 350 square metres in prime location at Loag, right near Mega World, where that's going to be built. In fact, guys, that land has tripled in value since we started buying it last year. So we don't even have to build on it. We can sell that land for 3 times what we paid for it, if we wanted to. And we can live anywhere we want. We can buy land anywhere. So, yeah, stay tuned. Anyway, we're going to have a barbecue and a jacuzzi this afternoon.
What do you think my dress is like greeny leopard? What do they call this?
Leopard print.
Leopard
She looks like a green leopard.
jumpsuit.
Is it a jumpsuit? Yeah, it is a jumpsuit.
Anyway,
It's like a green Teletubby.
it's cool enough.
It is cool enough.
Yeah.
We changed the water in the jacuzzi yesterday, so
Yeah.
that's nice and clean today.
Because it's a very cloudy.
It was going cloudy.
Yeah.
It's probably me with a utot. If you're Philippine, you know what utot means, guys.
It's a nice day today. Yeah, been raining for a couple of days.
It is. The garden's looking nice as well. Do you want to show people around the garden, babe?
Yes.
Go on then, you show them around the garden. Look at your beans.
This is my beans now. It's growing. It's got plenty of beans now, nearly to pick. There you go. Yan. Late ang beans ko ngayon. May runny beans, wala akong runny beans ngayon.
Your barbecue's gone out.
Yung ano ko, sitaw na mahaba.
I suppose I'll have to fix it myself.
May cucumber ako doon. At yan, kalabasa galing pa sa Pilipinas yan. Hindi pa naman namumulaklak. Sinubukan kong inilagay doon sa yung ampalaya. Hindi naman mabubuhay yata. Yun, si Mr. C.
Basa na. Using petrol on it. Jesus Christ, she's trying to kill us.
Petrol, you're the one that you put it there, babe.
I said, look, use some barbecue lighting fluid.
Okay, lighting fluid
and
here.
And you found the one with the petrol in it. What's this? This is going to blow up now.
Look!
Get ready. Whoa. Petrol.
You're the one putting in there, Mr.
Mrs. C.
You're the one putting in there.
She's trying to kill me.
You're the one putting in there. How do I know that it's the same packet, look?
Ever since you got me insured, I've been having little accidents.
No, you're the one is putting there, babe.
Well, it can go in the bin. That's one with petrol. Oh, that's the one I wanted. Barbecue lighting fluid, babe. Didn't it smell of petrol when you was putting it on?
Anyway, I'll continue now. Ito na yung ano natin.
Married life.
Yung talong natin. Ayan, malaki na yung talong. Galing sa Pilipinas yan na seedling. Meron pang maliit yan. At yung ampalaya natin, oh, may madaming dahon na. Ayan. At yung sili, galing pa sa Pilipinas to. Yung ano. At yung okra, ayan. Yan si Mr. C. Complaining too much.
I've got some of that down here.
Nearly killed him, he's saying, but look at this barbecue, guys. Ayan. That's enough, babe.
How do you know that's enough?
Oh, look, it's going to there.
Oh, yeah. Gotta melt the lights.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. C, I showed them the garden now. At yung kalamansi natin.
Shit, I've just singed the ears off my... Look at that. Just singed the ear off on the side of my flipping arm.
Kalamansi natin di nabubuhay. Ayan. Ayan, ang beans natin, maraming bunga soon. Late ang beans natin, kaya ayan. Ayan si Mr. C. Bigay ko na kay Mr. C.
No, I've just singed all the ears off my arm. I walked past and the flames followed me and I've just lost a load of hairs.
You barbecue yourself.
I'm just barbecuing. Ow!
You barbecue yourself.
Just barbecued myself.
Barbecue yourself. Ayan, guys.
Welcome to life in the UK-PINAY household, guys.
Okay, guys.
Mr. and Mrs. C. Wow.
Bigay ko na kaya ng Mr. C.
At least we've got a day off together.
Ayan.
First time we've had a day off together in how long? Because we both work.
Yeah. I'm off again next weekend anyway, so I'll be okay.
Oh, yeah? So am I.
All right. I'll give you to it now. I'll show my garden. Nothing much in the garden at the moment.
Oh. Right, so we'll get some meat on this barbecue.
Yeah.
It's going to be sort of burning away just nicely. And then when we've had something to eat, we're going to take the lid off this and we're going to get into that nice jacuzzi.
Yeah.
It's quite a big jacuzzi. We're sending this to the Philippines, by the way. Once we've got the Kubo terrace set up, we're going to put this in ballot buying boxes and that's getting sent over to the Philippines. So our little godchildren, Isaac and Isai, they can play in it and cool off in the summer. Right, let's talk to you guys in a bit. It's a little bit later in the afternoon, guys. But the sausages are ready. And the pork and herbs is starting to cook, along with a couple of burgers. Obviously, I've got the old Stella. Yeah. Then later, the jacuzzi, quietly waiting. That's up to temperature, I think. 40 degrees. 40 is about right. It's a beautiful day. Blue skies. Mrs. C is doing her thing. She's talking to Sister Maricel on the telephone at the moment, so she'll get back on the video later on. But yeah, very nice Sunday, guys. And we've got a plan. We've seriously got a plan. Now, we could have gone for an absolutely brand new Hilux, brand new shape, brand new everything. But I sort of figured that, you know, as soon as it leaves the dealership, you're going to lose money on it. So we thought something about 2024 model, maybe the Hilux Invincible, preferably dark grey or black. Let's see what happens. But yeah, Gloria, who's the freelance agent that organises everything for us on our behalf while we're over in the UK, she's absolutely brilliant. I'll stick a link down to her on Facebook for anybody who's interested, any Americans or any foreigners in the Philippines that want to do the same thing as us. Part of the plan, guys. Right, let's get back to cooking this food, drinking some beer, and then Mrs. C should be finished on the phone to Maricel and Morris, and we can finish the video, guys. Update, guys. We were talking, and I think I've burnt some of the pork on the barbecue.
It's too hot, the barbecue, guys.
It's never right for Mrs. C. It's a barbecue, it's supposed to be hot.
Yeah, but it's a charcoal now. It's gone black.
I'd prefer to call it well done. You should be going, well done, Mr. C.
Okay.
I'll be going, thank you, babe.
What are we talking about?
I have no idea.
Oh, about the Kubo.
Was we?
Eh.
Oh yeah, yeah, the Kubo. So that should be getting delivered next Sunday.
Yeah, but it done properly.
If they've done the job properly. If they've not,
It's still not, why they put the trapal not even to varnish the terrace?
they've not
That
even
is really
varnished the
safe.
bamboo yet, but they've hung the trapal off
It's
it.
no good, and it's supposed to be varnish it first before putting
Well,
the
they
trapal.
can roll everything up and put varnish on it then, can't they?
And the chair is too big. I don't want the chair. It's be round only a little bit.
Yeah, the breakfast bar chairs that they've made are massive.
Massive kayang.
They look like tables. So he's going to remake them for us. He's made us a little table for the terrace, bamboo table.
And in
We
the back,
tested the sockets today, the electric on the sockets.
it's
It
burning
all
again.
works.
Look, is it?
Oh, there she goes, look, bossing me around.
I'm just saying, babe.
Yeah, I know you're just saying, but when you say something, just saying it, I end up flipping panicking.
I don't want to become charcoal. Oh, it's
Not
okay.
charcoal, babe.
All right then. All right.
Sure.
That's it. All right, Mr. C.
Right, let's get back to what I was doing. This is what happens when you got a wife, guys.
And the terrace, what we're planning is to have no mosquito. We put mesh between them
Yeah.
because if not, plenty of mosquito in the chicken every time in the chicken and the goat and what else with the ducks and that's
I'll try and put a picture up with the Kubo, guys. So one end of it is modern white corrugated metal sheet, and the other end of it is traditional bamboo, but it's got gaps in between the bamboo. And I think what Mrs. C's saying is that I'm going to wake up one morning and I'm going to have a chicken sat next to me, and I'm going to have a goat with its head poking through the bamboo, trying to drink my coffee. Unless we put some sort of mesh in the gaps of the bamboo. And
Yeah.
obviously at night time we can sit out there and do a karaoke and drink some Red Horse. Well, I can because Mrs. C doesn't drink. And the lights, when the light's on and the fan, it's not going to attract the mosquitoes.
Yeah.
But if they are trying to get in, they can't get through the mesh.
Look at the terrace of Mama, and it always must attract the
Yeah,
lights.
they're everywhere,
with
aren't they?
it,
So yeah, it's a good idea, babe. We'll
Yeah.
put mosquito mesh over the bamboo.
Yeah, and
So it'll stop the little bastards getting
You
in
need
at
this nail gun, staple
Stapler.
gun, staple gun.
Staple gun. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll get one. I've got one saved in my Shopee list at the moment. I've got to just push it by on
We
it.
need to buy that like a brownie mess because much for the Kubo terrace and
Yeah, I'll
like a
sort that out.
bamboo style mess. And
When are we going, babe?
we're not saying we're not planning any to going yet. The surprise for us, for
It's going to be
them.
a surprise for the family.
You know, I'll be busy at work at the moment. Only
Yeah.
today we together on Saturday. Last Saturday and Sunday weekend I'm working, and Mr. C only in the house.
Yeah, I was all by myself. Got my weekend off. My wife was at work.
So we need it. So we have to plan everything anyway.
We do.
You know.
But this is how we make money, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we can buy nice things.
Nice thing. I know we can't build a house yet, but at least we have the kubo.
Oh, we've
Tiny
got
homes,
the Kubo
yeah.
and we've got the land, haven't we? We bought two 350 square metre lots side by side, so we can make one big 700 square metre.
It's triple the
Lots.
money already.
Yes,
No,
it's tripled in value already. It's on the highest point of the development.
Yeah.
It overlooks the sea on one side.
And mega world on the other
And
side.
they're building a mega world there.
And the mayor,
Well, the mayor lives next door to us. The mayor of Loag. Yeah, he lives next door to us. He's our neighbour. So if he's building a house there, he knows that the prices are going to go sky high. So yeah, we've done all right with the land. We've got our little motorbike already.
and yeah.
It's a year old, and I think I've used it for 20
But
kilometres.
Steve want to live in the province.
Yeah, I don't want to live in the city.
In the
I'm not a
mountains.
city person. I don't want to be surrounded
But
by
we're not
Yanks.
living in the city that our land anyway. It's a barangay anyway. But
Yeah, but you're going to have Mega World just up there. And yeah, it's nice. There's an airport right near it and a city. But it's going to be full of Yanks and foreigners. And I know I'm a foreigner, but I don't want to be surrounded by bloody Yanks. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ours is better than yours. We've got this back over
You like
the
my
bonds.
dress, not jumpsuit, guys.
She looks like a green leopard.
This is I brought it in charity shop, guys.
What make is it?
It's a mango.
Mango.
It's the brand called Mango.
That's very suitable for a Filipino. Mango brand.
This is jumpsuit, green, black, red and black. Is how much I paid for that? Guess, guys.
Comment below. How much did Mrs. C pay for the bright green leopard print jumpsuit?
And here in the country, guys, it's very cheap at the charity shop.
Our charity shop in the Philippines, they call it ukay
Ukay, yeah.
ukay.
All branded stuff is like 99p, you know, kids stuff
How
like.
much you paid for it then? Go on, tell me 99p. Always after a bargain.
Yeah, but the materials is good, guys.
We
summarize.
figured out that each year between us we earn in pesos. We earn over 9 million pesos each year. If my wages and Asension's wages were put together,
10
guys,
million nearly.
it's nearly 10 million pesos we earn each year. That's without doing any overtime or weekends or
I work only part time anyway.
yeah. So we're pretty good, you know, we're pretty well off. So in the UK, that's £90,000 a year
Yeah.
we earn. We're not doing bad. But Mrs. C still decides she wants to shop in the charity shops.
Nothing wrong to do to shop in the charity,
You
guys.
just like the bargain, don't you?
Yeah, I like the bargain. It's nothing wrong to go to the charity shop because some of them is branded in good quality clothes. You know, I brought children clothes like four pieces
gosh,
per
yeah.
pound. You know, children clothes is branded like Zara or, you know, Next. The
Yeah.
quality is still brand new.
That'd be
How much I paid that shoes for Isaac yesterday?
99p. But she's got some beautiful white boots with zip sides. They're zip-sided, but the lace up fronts for little Isaac, our little godson. Hi, Isaac. And hello, Isaac. Hello.
Yeah, 99p for this.
Hang on, I need to do the
Love heart.
love heart to our children.
Yeah,
Over in the
99p.
Philippines.
Isn't I showed to Isaac this morning in the video call?
he liked
She
them.
liked it too.
Yeah, we had a video call with Isaac. How old is Isaac now?
I think 1 year old.
Maybe
2 years.
one, nearly
Nearly
one.
2 now. This December or a birthday again.
December 2, yeah. And then his birthday's in December as well.
Yeah, 21 today.
Yeah.
I remember
he's-
we have the December
he's 1.5-year-old.
and christening last year.
And he was looking at these boots that Auntie Asension bought on video call on Messenger, and he's smiling and happy.
It still has a lot of shoes in the other balikbayan box before that I left last year.
We sent loads, haven't we?
Probably it's very small now. So I said to Maricel, I just keep putting in the balikbayan box. Already I sent it in the Philippines.
Yeah, Marisol, if they're too small for the children, you
Give
have to have
to-
another baby.
give to give to the
Tell
people.
Morris you need to make another baby because you've got lots of spare small shoes.
Yeah, but that's enough, baby, because he got only one and girl. That's enough, isn't it?
2 children.
Yeah. Because one and girl, one boy and one girl.
That's the perfect family.
Yeah.
One of each.
One in each. At least they can look after properly.
Yeah,
If they
and
have
we've got godchildren, which is great because you can give them loads of love and then you can give them back. It's really
Yeah.
smart.
enjoying the baja.
Yeah, I'm happy being Ning Nong, which
Ninong
means
state.
godfather in Philippine.
And they're enjoying their baja.
Yeah, the trike, 3-wheeler trike thing.
Yeah, it's going fast, isn't it? 200cc, guys. That one.
The what do they call it?
Badger. Bumblebee.
The bright yellow badger.
Yeah. Lucky we find Hilux yellow as well.
Get a yellow one. Yeah.
No, babe, not the yellow. No.
It's going to be great for Morris, for brother Morris, because he's got to go to work. He can either take a brand new ADV 160, a 2-year-old Badger RE tuk-tuk, or you can take a 2-year-old Hilux, or what was the other models we were looking at? The
Triton.
Mitsubishi Triton, or the Nissan Conquest?
Conquest, yeah.
Conquest, yeah. So Morris will be going to work and he'll probably have a better car than the boss. He gets a choice. They'll think he's won the lottery.
It's worried now how we're gonna park because no shade in that carport.
Doesn't
so I said,
matter.
we made it later on.
Pickup truck's got a roof on it. It doesn't really matter, does
but
it?
you know, Morris like, baby, he need everything in the shade.
That's Morris.
He look after it and that
He does
stuff.
look after things. He'll be driving it for 11 months of the year anyway. We only use it for about 1 month when we're there, until we move over there, which hopefully won't be too long.
So we needed something anyway. At least we have our own car. Nobody, you know.
Yeah,
at
we're not
least
going to have to bother anybody.
not renting or anything.
Because last time we flew over there last Christmas, we arranged with one of the sisters and we were going to use the car, borrow the car, and we turned up at Manila and we got picked up at Manila Airport and we went to was it Baguio? Bulacan.
Or rented.
And we got
5,000.
told on the night before we was taking a 12-hour trip that we couldn't borrow the car. And I was sleeping, but Asension was told by the sister that, oh, you can't use the car now and we've changed our mind and it needs a service. So Brother Junior,
Thanks, brothers.
thank you Brother Junior, he sorted out a driver for us and a
Yeah,
car
Midnight,
to get
Midnight.
us there, didn't he?
And thank you, Benjamin, as well.
Oh, Benjamin, if you're watching, man, thank you very much.
I will see you soon, probably
Yeah.
when you come this year.
And then we found out later that sister had used the car the next day to go to Manila.
So we go to visit you
Yeah.
to Junior in Bulacan.
So you can't choose your family, guys, but you can choose your friends. I seem to be surrounded by snakes. People that tell lies. But again, no names.
Anyway,
Anyway, we know the good family, we know the bad.
we're not rich guy. We work hard to have anything we want.
Yeah, you think because I'm a foreigner and essentially lives in London, or London's like hours away, that we've got loads of money. Well, we don't, but we work hard and we make good money. We've got a comfortable life. A lot of people here are worse off than we are,
But
but we're not millionaires.
I work to save money to have a car, to have anything we need.
And
you
we
know.
still manage to help the family as
Yeah.
well, on top of everything else.
I never spend anything to myself, but I need to get something that we useful back
Yeah.
home, or
Yeah.
you know.
We're preparing life now for
Yeah.
when we actually move to the Philippines.
Yeah, at least when we retire, we have the car, we have the house, and you
Yeah,
know.
we've got maybe some business, you know, and we can help ourselves, we can help other members of the family as well, you know, by building a business. I'm going to check the meat again because I might just be burning it.
Okay, guys, I'll see you in a minute. Hey guys, it's overdone.
Well, that's okay. That's semi-done and that's well done.
Well
And
done.
that's absolutely burnt.
Not well done, by it's become charcoal. My goodness.
Charcoal's good for you.
Oh God, it's not charcoal like that.
I've got my sausages on there, my
Because
burgers.
you put too much heat in that.
I've got them up here as well, so when I close it, they sit up in the air. Imagine what they'd be like if they was on that.
Look at guys. It's not barbecue. Been charcoal.
It's been cremated. We've had a burial. I just need the priest to come round now and give it the last rites before they cremate it.
Goodness. Okay, guys.
Honestly, I can't see what the problem is, guys. I suppose you should never mix the Stella with barbecuing. I've not quite got the hang of it yet. But at least, like, out of the 8 pork medallions I've made, at least 4 of them, probably 4 of them are eatable, so you can eat them. It's strange though, the burgers never got burnt, or my sausages, but the pork did. It's probably because it's very thin. Yeah, so we're looking forward to going back to the Philippines, guys. I really am. It's been a long time. It's been since December. It's been like, it'll have been 11 months by the time we go back. So I'm very, very, very happy and excited to go back and see the beautiful Philippines again. We're trying to do as much as we can to make things comfortable for ourselves, like buying the Kubo and other little things before we actually get there. And we're trying also to buy other things, big things like a car, so we don't have to bother, you know, Sister Manolin and anybody else to actually pick us up from airports and, you know, run us around, because it's not fair on them. And we have to pay for it as well, you know, fuel and for the time. I mean, Sister Manolin's been brilliant. Her and her husband, you know, they've been absolutely brilliant. Last time they picked us up, they lent us the car to go places. I bought a motorcycle in the end, a little ADV 160, but you know, if it wasn't for Sister Manolin, or Madame as we call her, you know, we'd have been in a bad place. We've got some very, very good members of the family, guys. We have. You know, but then we've got some members of the family that are not so good either. But again, no names, you know. It's a shame that you come home from 4 or 5 weeks in the Philippines and then you get loads of comments from people spreading rumours and making people think things that are not true, and saying that we've said things that are not true. And that's the truth of the matter, guys. That's what's happened. Again, no names. But people start to believe the lies, and we're not there to defend ourselves. Well, you know what? This year we're going back, and I've not forgotten all this. It's here in my heart. It's been there for. It's going to be 12 months by the time I get back there. And if they think for a moment I've forgotten about this and that I will not say something, even though I'm a pariah, a foreigner, guys, you've got another thing coming. I do speak the truth. I do speak the truth, and I will defend myself, and I will defend my wife. And to be told, my wife to be told that she should be siding with certain members of the family rather than her own husband, disgusting. But hey, whatever. I'm coming home, guys. Get ready. Get ready. I'm also very happy that we've bought the Kubo. Now it's 22 foot long and it's 8 foot wide. And it's not going to be anything special, I get that. You know, we've got Loretto that have built it for us. They're not builders, they make Kubos. And Loretto, Sir Arvin Loretto, he's gone above and beyond what he normally does to actually make this Kubo for us. He's done it to the ideas that I've given him, and he's put things in there that he wouldn't normally do. He's tried his very best. But there's going to be loads of videos on the Kubo from November, guys, when we get there. But we've got a roof over our heads. We've got a place to put it. Thanks to Sister Maricel and brother-in-law Morris, they're the best family ever. Such kind people. And we've got a little ADV 160 to run around. on. We've got the Bajaj, which belongs to Morris, obviously. It was a gift. We can use that, and then hopefully, if everything goes well, we'll have the pickup truck as well. By the time we get there, we can save money up, so we can help the family, and we've got enough money to sort of have a really, really good 6 weeks over there. And we can buy things, and we can visit, you know, places. You know, for instance, guys, these two children, our godchildren, Isaac and Isai, they've never even been to Jollibee, never. And I think that's heartbreaking, I really do. Children, you know, they've never been to Jollibee. And to be able to take them to Gigaro, to the city, in a car, or their new Bumblebee, the new Badger, and to go and buy them brand new things from a shopping mall, a place I've never seen before, that makes it all worth it to myself and Asension, you know. What do you think, babe? We're going to do this for the kids, aren't we?
Yeah. Oh, is that muted? Oh.
You're not muted.
You listening to me? We're cutting the things.
No, I didn't hear any of that.
Yes, that's the things. I'll bring them to the shopping mall when I got there.
Yeah, they can go shopping, and we'll just take them places. Because, you know, last time we was there with the family in Isabella.
Stay at home always.
Yeah, Maricel and the babies were just staying at home. They never got to go places with us, and you know, we was going to Rojas, we was going to other places, and we never took the kids, did we?
We took Isai in the town with
yeah, well, that's a little bit.
Bike,
just into the local town. But this time, you know, it's going to be about the godchildren and us, and we're going to be able to do a lot more. And another thing, guys, you know, this is not my first time now in the Philippines. The first time was a learning curve for me. It taught me all about who was who and, you know, what to expect. This time I know what I'm walking back into. So it's going to be much better for me personally this time round, knowing what to expect and knowing how things are. And yeah, we're just going to have a great time, I think.
Yeah. You want this bowl to your burger, babe?
I want 2 of those for my burgers, babe, with some cheese
I will get some more on this because it's nice, this bun.
Yeah, we got these, what do they call them, barn cakes? Barney Baps.
Yeah.
Barney Baps.
It's come from with this
It's a local
Atkins,
baker's, isn't it?
in Nottingham. Yeah.
Adkins Bakeries in Nottingham. So these are local bread cakes, guys.
But it's nice, the one.
They are very nice and
Then
very big.
compared to that Babs.
Yeah. I better check that I'm not overcooking my burgers.
Not like the cobs that we always buy. This one is good.
That's true. If I cook my burgers too much now, I'm going to call a priest.
No, I check it the three.
And they can go like that.
I check it the 3 pieces of
Meat.
The charcoal one because I'm unable to cut anymore with the small pieces.
Solid.
It's been murdered, guys. It's been crematized.
Mr. C's murdered the flipping meat.
So I would chuck them in the bin. I slice it some of it. I put some. I don't have onions. I run out of onions. Shopping tomorrow, guys.
Cebuana.
Sibuyas.
I'm learning. Is that Tagalog or Ilocano? Sibuyas.
Sibuyas is Tagalog already.
Tagalog for onions is sibuyas. I understand Polish and
Sibuya.
Cebula in Polish is onion.
And bawang is
Garlic. Bawang is garlic. See, I'm learning little words. I actually understand quite a bit of Tagalog. If I'm listening to a conversation...
Tomato is kamatis.
Yeah. I sort of understand a little bit more than I actually speak. I don't speak really anything, but if Asension's having a conversation, I can sort of 60% understand what she's talking about.
But you know the pandesal, the one?
Yeah, I love pandesal.
Yeah, cheese pandesal.
Oh yeah, fresh pandesal on a morning. Yeah. When we was there at Mum's at Christmas last year, I used to go on the little ADV 160 early in the morning, and I'd buy some, and then I'd bring them home for the family. And we used to have, they were still warm, weren't they?
Yeah.
Except for the one time that the ovens had broken down and we couldn't have them hot. But she gave me a discount.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need to find that one in Apayao too. And what
Well,
will they
we'll
have
find.
on there?
I'm sure we'll find
We are
something.
hand on little town. Ano?
We'll find a local bakers. So I want to say hello as well to Malik Brews. Because, hi guys, we will be back and we will come and see you. Honestly, we're probably only going to spend a couple of days in Malik, maybe one day, maybe two at the most. We're just going to go home and pick up our things from the family home, put them all in the back of the truck, and we're going to leave. We're going to go. I don't think we'll be coming back. But we've got our own reasons for that. But we will spend time.
Hopefully our car pickup will be released.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, hopefully. And then we don't have to bother,
renting a car.
or bother, Manolin and sister.
Hi, madam. How are
madam.
you? I'm Warren and children.
Yeah, they're like number
of
one,
you
number
okay?
two. Absolutely great family. Yeah, so we
Thanks, everything says, madam.
I
Thank
already
you
said
very
that
much.
earlier on. They were so good to us last Christmas, weren't they? Yeah. And, it's going to be a shame we can't spend more time with them. But as I said, we've got our reasons.
Yeah.
We just want to get our stuff and go.
I never post anything in Facebook now because I'm been busy at work. Every day I'm working.
Yeah, very busy.
I'm making money for something, You will see what I'm saving it later on,
We're making plans.
Yeah, so
We're very much the same as you guys in the Philippines. I'm sure most of you guys in the Philippines, you have jobs, you're working, the male's working, the husband is working, the wife's working, and hopefully you've got a good life. It's the same in England, guys, but you've got to remember that our wages to you seem up here, but our bills are up here as well. They're higher than what we actually earn. So everything is the same as the Philippines, wages, bills, but in England it's like wages, bills. So whatever you think we earn here, the bills are higher. So it's pretty much the same as the Philippines in all honesty.
we're paying a lot of tax.
We're making more, but we're paying more. And we pay a lot of tax here.
Everything
we really
is
do.
taxed.
We've got a shit government. An absolutely shit government. Don't even get me started on that. We're being invaded at the moment by asylum seekers coming over in small boats, from France. We're paying the French just over the water. We're paying them billions of pounds to stop these boats coming. And then the French are still letting them come. So it's a waste of money. We've got a very weak government. A lot of corruption here as well in the
So we
UK.
covered that one because it's getting lower the temperature.
It'll be all right. I want to get on with my dinner because I'm probably going to burn my burgers next and I will not be a happy bunny. Well, luckily, guys, I've not burnt the sausages. They're pretty all right. The burgers have shrunk a little bit, but everything's just cooking nicely. I've got my new plate there to put things on. Beer's going down a bit. One empty, one nearly empty, and one full. So you can tell what I like to do on my days off. Drink plenty of beer. Oh. So we'll have some food, guys, and then we'll get in that. It's a Sunday afternoon in the UK. It's really not a bad day today. It's not very hot, but it's not very cold either. And for once, guys, myself and Mrs. C, we're both off work together. This is what you get. You see, we work hard over here as well. We work hard. With me, it's Monday to Friday every week. I get my weekends off, but Asension, she works when she can get the work. And she does a hard job as a nurse. She works very hard. It's very demanding, disabled children and things like that. She's a very, very good nurse. She's really, really good with people. And especially people with mental disabilities and physical disabilities. That's probably why she married me, because I've got a few mental disabilities. I normally get physical disabilities after about 20 cans of Stella, but I've got the best wife in the world. Right, let's get on with dinner, guys. Okay, another 15 minutes later.
I got rice, guys. Why are you pointing at me? Just put them here, please.
Yeah, pointing at you.
Pointing at me, baby.
It's called the UK-PINAY channel, without Mrs. UK-PINAY that wants to be on there. So we got loads of rice as usual. Mrs. C has got
My hot wing last night.
hot wing chicken from last night. Well, Filipinos love to eat Jollibee the next day as well. I suppose it's pretty much the same. And these cremated bits of pork that I made, they've ended up in there in like a calamansi soy sauce. So Mrs. C's got dinner. I've got my burger, my cheeseburger. Put both of them in there. What I'll do now, let's go and get my sausages, which are roasting on the barbecue. There we go. They're about ready, guys. Finally there, guys. Think the dinner might be finished. I've either cremated it or it's going to be palatable. I think they're all right. They look okay. I think we'll take them as they are. Plenty of sausage. What do you call them in the Philippines? Linguinista?
Langgunisa.
Langanisa. These are UK Langanisa. Pork sausage. There we go. That's Mr. C's dinner. We're all sorted. That's the food sorted, guys. Let's get on with it. Well, we've got grub. Sausages and burgers here, guys. Mrs. C's got a chicken and pork and rice. Filipinos love rice.
Kain po tayo.
What do you say?
Kain po tayo.
Kain patayo. What does that mean? Time to eat?
Let's eat.
Let's eat. In English, it's just let's eat. It's really quick. But in Philippine, it takes some saying. Oh, what a lovely Sunday.
Shout out Kanyaman. Kain po tayo.
G'day, man. Hello, Sir Alex, in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. He always watches the channel, always makes comments.
Kain po tayo.
And talking of watching the channel, thank you to our new subscribers. We've got Scottish Farmer. Thank you, Scottish Farmer, for subscribing. How many we got now? 379?
What in our
YouTube.
700.
How many?
739. Not 307.
Oh, 739 subscribers. Wow. We never imagined we'd get that many. I mean, the channel's shit, let's face it. Well, I am. And we got another subscriber as well. And I couldn't work out who she was earlier on. But that's my big sister, Elaine. Hi, Elaine. I really miss you. You know, I've not seen you for so long. And we'd love for you to come sometime if you're still driving, and come and see us. Come and see me in Asension. It'd be so nice to have you around. Or we'll come to see you.
Where she live?
At Leicester. She lives in Leicester. I think you still live in Leicester, Elaine. But me and Elaine, we go back. Oh God, so many years. We used to go out and get drunk together. She married one of my doormen when I used to have the nightclub. I've got some stories to tell you, babe, about Elaine. She's so funny.
Until now, she's still drinking.
Huh?
You? How? Until now, Elaine, you still drinking?
Yeah, I'm still drinking. I'm very consistent.
That doesn't mean nobody drink water at all.
I don't drink water because fish piss in it. I keep telling you. And look, if I look on the back of this, it says energy. I get energy from it. I get 165 kilojoules or 39 kilocalories of energy, guys. And I get, wow, that's per 100 millilitres. And I get per 400 millilitres, 174 kilograms energy, guys. It's really good for me.
No, it's not good for him because when he's drunk, he's shouting a lot.
Yeah, ingredients, water, lots of water, barley malt, maize hops. That's it. It's like 99% water, guys. It says right there on the back of the tin. So yeah, I'm drinking water. That Mrs. C just told you wasn't quite true. It wasn't.
When he's drunk, he's shouting a lot.
I do shout a lot.
Yeah, last night he's shouting as well, isn't he? Get angry too much.
Yeah,
And all the anger he had, he put on me.
that's right. That's my wife now saying, feel sorry for me because I've got a really horrible husband. I'm such a bad man, babe.
You're not a bad man, I'm just saying. When you're drunk,
Yeah, I get loud.
loud, isn't it?
I do. So shouting is loud.
You get angry too much.
Why did you marry me?
Don't know.
That's not the right answer. Why did you marry me, babe?
Don't know.
That's definitely not the right answer, babe. Why did you marry me? Last chance.
You're a good man.
Thank you.
Yeah,
So,
but if you drink, if you're horrible, it's been horrible too, isn't it?
I'm a very horrible person.
Yeah.
In my past life, when I was a soldier or when I was security staff, when I used to have clubs and pubs and my doorman, yeah, I was horrible, you're right. I'm a totally different man now. Look, I've got a ring up my finger, guys. I'm a married man. And my life has changed a lot.
Are you?
Yeah, absolutely. Love you, babe.
Love you too. Can we?
She changed the subject really quickly, didn't you notice that?
I love you too. Can I water that things because it got waste for the charcoal?
I don't know. Can you water it? Are you asking me? Or are you telling me you're going to water it?
I will do later.
Okay. So anyway, getting back to what I was saying, guys, thank you very much for the new subscribers. 739.
Nine.
Oh, we're doing really well. I remember making a video a few weeks ago and we just got 700. So, wow. I'm overwhelmed. And the Facebook page, we've got over 3.5 or just under 3,500 subscribers to UK-PINAY.
My Facebook is 21K.
You've got 21,000 on yours? That's because she's better looking than me.
No, I mean, if that 21K subscribe
Followers.
to you, yeah, followers, subscribe to our YouTube.
You've got
it's a lot.
21,000 followers. Wow. I've got about 5,000 followers on mine.
1,000 for that for families.
Yeah. But the UK-PINAY one's got quite a few followers as well.
Yeah, 3,500 or something.
Is it? Okay.
We're not getting. It's not bad.
That's not bad.
We never think we got 700 in this time anyway.
No, the thing is, guys, we set up a YouTube channel and a Facebook page.
For fun.
Just for fun. We didn't set it up to make loads of followers and subscribers,
we
did we?
have the channel because of the tent box.
Oh yeah, when we first started, we had a tent box, which is a tent, a roof tent, and we had it on the Ford Ranger.
I will get my aubergine, guys. I put them in the grill. Yeah. Ayan, malaki na. Kaya grill natin. Hindi na, ayan. Hindi ko na mahawakan yung yung camera. Ayan. Hindi ko yung guguntingin natin. Ayan. Yung gunting. Ayan. Ayan. At saka i-grill natin yan. Lagyan natin ng itlog. Oh, to front of my aubergine, guys.
That's a big one, babe.
Look, aubergine that from Philippines.
That's a big one, and that's some seeds from the Philippines, yeah?
Yeah. I put them in the grill. And I put some eggs later.
Ah, so you're going to grill it now, guys. This is C. That's it.
See?
She's on it.
Go.
Happy?
Yeah. And I put some eggs later. Grill aubergine, then I put some eggs.
It's going to be a very long video.
We call tortang talong.
Okay.
Very long video, guys. I'm finished.
Yeah, but you're spending the day with Mr. and Mrs. C at the moment in Ripley, Derbyshire.
I'm finished, guys. Ayan.
You done?
I'm done. Tropical crust from Aldi.
Stella, Aldi. Cheers.
Oh.
Right, let's move on to the jacuzzi, guys. Okay, phase 3. Mrs. C in the jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi time.
Should take your hand off my balls.
No, it's the dirty, catching the dirty stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, it floats around the jacuzzi and it skims stuff off the top of the water.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to jump in that jacuzzi myself now and enjoy the rest of our day, guys.
Jacuzzi time, guys.
Yeah, it's warm.
Let's go.
Oh, it's very nice.
Very clean water because we changed it yesterday.
We did. We cleaned the water yesterday.
Yeah.
We can play with the ball now. So we're just going to chill out. We're going to drink some beer. And we're going to have an hour in the jacuzzi, guys. This is going to be so nice for the godchildren when we're over in the Philippines, when we send it over in a box. Because they'll be able to go and cool down and swim, and it's all for the good of the family, guys. But that's all part of the master plan. It'll all become apparent over the next year or so. Just keep watching the channel, keep subscribing, keep commenting, keep saying hello. I think we're going to call an end to the video now, guys. I think we're going to end it off.
Because it's been a long time.
Yeah, we're just going to chill out. But for a change, you've got Mr. and Mrs. C together. You're not just listening to a boring fat Yorkshire bastard. And it's nice to have my wife at home for a change.
Yeah.
So stay tuned to the channel, guys. See if we manage to get ourselves a pickup truck. And things are going to happen very, very quickly. We've got a lot of surprises in store for the Philippines. And then obviously in November, or whenever we decide to go over there, there's going to be a hell of a lot of videos on the channel. Subscribe now, don't miss out, and you can be notified whenever we upload a new one. Thanks for watching, guys.
Salamat po.
And bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Take care. God bless us all. Bye-bye.
Sabihin kung paano